Writing ratios for real-world situations. Okay, so a ratio is a way to compare two quantities. And in this particular topic, the practice problems, the quantities are often going to be like a particular quantity, but maybe to the total or all of the stuff that's being talked about. So for this first one, it says there are 5 roses and 9 daisies in a vase. So we have 5 roses, 9 daisies. Part A, what is the ratio of all flowers in the vase to roses? So all, why does that look so bad? To roses. This is all smushy looking. So all would be 5 plus 9, right? All of the flowers would be 5 plus 9 or 14. And so 14 to 5. And you don't want to write that as a mixed number. Ratios, it's always either written as a fraction, maybe improper, that's fine, but never a mixed number. So either a fraction or as like a, with this colon, or even the word 2, 14 to 5. So second one, part B, what is the ratio of daisies to all flowers? So now it would be, for daisies, there are 9 daisies, and all would be 14. So we could write 9 over 14, or we could write 9 colon 14. And you do have to check and make sure that your fraction is simplified. So for example, if you did have a ratio, say it was like 14 over 7, well, normally we would say, well, that's just 2. But in order to have a ratio and show that we're comparing two different quantities, we would write it as 2 over 1. This is kind of one of the only times where you would leave something as 2 over 1 instead of just writing that this is 2. Or you could write it, and it looks a little better, I think, this way, 2, 2, 1, so T-O. So let's do one more of these. And it looks like in this particular topic, though, just the numbers that I've seen, I don't think you're going to ever have to simplify. But let's see, we have 8 red marbles, 5 blue marbles. What is the ratio of red to blue? So here we're not going to have to do anything. It's just 8 to 5. Red to blue, 8 to 5. Or you could write it like this. And then what is the ratio of blue to all? So all marbles would be 8 plus 5, or 13. So blue to all would be 5 to 13. And I'm just going to double check what it looks like Alex wants us to use. So it looks like they actually are wanting us to use, I should have checked this before, the colon notation. So blue to all, so blue needs to come first, so that would be the 5, and then colon, all is 13. So this would be the notation that they're wanting it for this particular topic.